Hey, what's going on everyone? This is iReviews back with another video. It is the beginning of the month, so as with every other month, this month as well, I will show you guys 10 apps that I believe every iPhone user must have on their device. These are mostly new apps that have recently been released. They're really good and most of them are actually very useful. Now before we get into the apps, make sure to smash the like button of this video. That will help me out a lot and of course will help this video do much better. Starting things off with the first app called QR. Now this is actually an extension that will be added to Safari on iOS 15. Now first of all, once you have installed the app, you will need to go to your settings, go to Safari, go to extensions, find it right here and make sure you have it enabled. Now this is what the app will do. So you go to a website and you can actually create a QR code for any link. So wherever you are on any link, any website, just tap the AA button right there, tap on QR, and just like that you will have a QR code created for that link if you want to share that link, of course, using a QR code. Now what you will have to do from here is just tap and hold, and you can go ahead and save this to your photo album. Invoice Maker is the next app for this video. Whenever you need to create an invoice, this is the app for you. Very simple to use and actually can create an invoice in a matter of seconds. So what you have to do here is of course enter the invoice number, the due date, the invoice date right there, enter all your info right here from, and of course the address and to the name to who, and of course the address as well. You can add the item name here. So once you have added the item name, you add the quantity right there and you add of course the price as well. You can tap the plus button to add more items right here. Once you're done with that, as simple as tapping the send button. Tap the send button right there and you will have the invoice generated. From here, of course, you can tap the share button. You can go ahead and share this anywhere you want. You can save it to your files or just send it on an email or an iMessage. Next up is date range search. Now this one is really interesting. So whenever you Google something, of course you will get results from different times, maybe like 2 or 3 years ago, all the results and all that. But with date range search, all you need to do is just go ahead and Google anything you want on Safari, then just go ahead, press right there and click copy. Once you have done this, you go to the app and tap that little button right there. And from here you can go ahead and set the dates from which date to which date you want to search. Tap right there, it will redirect you back to Safari and show you the results right here with the specific dates that you want. So all of these have actually been on internet between those two dates that we set. Really cool and of course very useful if you're searching for something specific. Next up is an app called Live Fun. Now this one is really interesting. It allows you to create wallpapers from live pictures or from video, so you can set any video as a live wallpaper on your iPhone, or you can, let's say, create a wallpaper for your lock screen with a calendar included. So you tap right there, you choose any of these wallpapers, or of course you can use any of the wallpapers that you have saved on your camera roll, and once you have done that, you can just go ahead and actually tap next here and set the wallpaper basically with a calendar right there. So you can have this, and once you're good to go, you tap the next button and you can actually have this as live or as a set wallpaper, and of course tap right there, you have it saved on your camera roll, and from here you can go ahead and set it as a wallpaper on your lock screen. Now once you have done that, you will have a calendar all the time on your lock screen, or maybe you want to add a list or maybe a QR code to quickly share anything you want. You can all do that from this one app. The next app for the video is Top Widgets. Now this one is actually really cool. You can see the amazing widgets that you can add with this app. You can see how cool this is right here with all the social media. I tap right there and it actually opens Instagram. It will redirect you through the app, but it does open Instagram, and that's really cool. And as you can see right here, you can set transparent widgets as well. Now let's just go into the app right here and see the amount of widgets that you can add with this app. So you will have here all kinds of different widgets, and you can switch there between medium, small and large as well. And you will have different types of widgets that you can add to the home screen of your device, and they all look really amazing. You will have icons here as well, so if you want to customize your icons, you can do that. And you will also have here different wallpapers that you can download from this app. Now what you can do is also set the widgets to be transparent. Now to do that, you will need to go here, tap that button, and first of all, make sure you go to your home screen, go to the edit mode, and go right here to the last page where there are no icons. Take a screenshot of this, and then once you go back into the app, right here, you need to go to more, transparent, tap here and add that screenshot. And once you have added a widget, all you have to do is just 3D touch on it, tap on edit widget, and then go to transparent right here and just choose the position of the widget. The next app for the video is called Quick Card. Now Quick Card lets you share anything you want quickly using QR codes. So the way it works, you can see right here, if I view my card, I have here my email, my phone, my address, my Twitter, and my YouTube. What I can do here is just tap on the email, and you will see right there, it shows a QR code so someone can just scan this and they will have my email without having to type it. You can do the same here for the phone number, for your address, and anything else. Now to create this, you go to edit card, and just go here, add your info, add a picture right there, and of course you can add everything you want, like websites, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitch, anything you want can be added right here, and you will have them all in your card right here, and they will show here, and everything has actually a QR code. Just scan it and you're good to go. Next up, we have another QR code app. Now this is a QR code scanner, but you can do that with the stock camera app of iOS. But this also is a generator, so you can create QR codes for pretty much anything, whether that be a text, a link you want to add, maybe your Wi-Fi network, so that you share your Wi-Fi network with someone without having to give them your passcode. You enter the network name right there, and you go ahead and also enter the passcode and enter any message you want. And from here you can go ahead and create QR codes for your network, for example. So let's try this. Let's try a passcode here just to do this. And once you're done with that, you tap on generate and you will have this QR code. So you just show this to someone, they scan it, they will be able to actually join your Wi-Fi network without you having to give out your passcode. You can create QR codes for V-cards, emails, crypto, Play Store, App Store, anything you want. You will have here a button to also scan QR codes, the history, and of course you can change the languages and the themes right there. Next up is an app called Listen. Now this app will turn any text into speech, so you don't need to read anything. This will speak out loud anything you want. So what you can do here is use your camera to scan text, paste or write any text you want from here, or just load any text like a PDF or any other file from your Files app. So let's just load a file here. So you can see right here we have a file loaded. This is basically a PDF from the Apple website, and what we can do here is of course change the speed of the speech. You can go forward or backwards, and of course you can see all the text right here, and the text will be highlighted as of course it is being spoken right here. We'll see the text highlighted so you know where it's reading. Really cool, and of course very useful if you have like large texts, you don't actually need to read them, or you just don't want to read them. You can go ahead and play them with sound using this app. Widget Quotes is the next app for the video. This is a simple widget app that will add quotes to the home screen of your device. Whether you need to stay motivated or stay positive, whatever you want, you can have the right quotes with this app. So you can see right here, these are the quotes. You can have of course different sizes of widgets, and if you go into the app you can also customize these, of course, add like different background. You can add also different colors for the text and also change the font. You can also add any pictures you want as the backgrounds for these quotes. And you can tap right there to choose how fast, how quickly actually you want to update these quotes and change them of course on the home screen. You can go from 30 minutes up to a day and change the quotes that you see on the home screen. That is really cool, and of course will help you stay positive and of course stay motivated. Last but not least is an app called Mute Up. This is a video editing app which is very simple to use, and what it does is that it lets you change the sound, the volume of a video. You can mute the video or you can increase the sound of the video. You can do that simply by sliding the slider right here. Now all you have to do here is just click the save button. This is saved under the camera roll of your device by tapping save video and you're good to go. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more. You will find all the links to these apps on the pinned comment. I'll see you on the next one.